That's it, you now have your n8n. It is finally configured and you are quiet on your own server. And now we will be able to simply move on. But first we will have to connect all our Google services to n8n. And for that, it's not that easy. You will have to go to Google Console, you connect to this site with your account, and you create a new project. So we're going to create this famous project to be able to actually do the authorization. So name of the project, I am going to call it n8n lift my work. I am going to have it created. We are going to wait for the project to be created quietly. Here we are going to select our project, and then we are going to click here in the navigation menu. Here we have happy and service, and there what we are going to do is we are going to search for each product that we are interested in activating. So here I'm going to type Google Drive. I'm going to click Google Drive Happy, and I'm going to activate it. Then I'm going to do the same thing for Google Sheet, Google Doc, and I have Mail in real life, all the Google applications that interest me. I activate Google Fit app, I activate Google Doc app, I activate the Gmail app. Finish. We're going to install the calendar, the Happy Calendar. Once we have activated all these apps, we will simply go to the consent screen. First step, name of the application. We will call it n8n to the user email address. We take our email address. I do next there. It will be an external application next there. It asks me for my details. I go, take back my email address, faster, I agree. And that's pretty much the first step. Then we will go to the audience. What I'm going to do is I'm going to publish the application here, and then I'm going to go to client. Create an application type client. This will be a web application. The name I will put n8n, and there you will need an authorized redirection URI. So I'm going to add a URI, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get it. So here I go to n8n, I'm going to take Google Drive, and in the triggers I'm going to put unplugged wing specific holder, and there in select credential I'm going to create a new credential, and there we see that I can recover my URI, which is here. So I click here to copy it. I go back there and I paste it. I'm going to create, and there I'm simply going to recover the ID, which is here, and the password, so the ID can see it. I'm going to enter it here, and the password is entered here. Then I click on the famous button, and I will connect my Google account, know my Google account. There he tells me that the application is not valid. It's normal. We do advanced settings, access ifmywork.com. There we select for authorizations. I will continue, and there we finally made our Google IoT connections. Once we have made these connections, we will be able to move on.